This is my studio and there's something I have to change straight away because it's driving me absolutely crazy. So I absolutely love the room we're in at the moment. It is my art studio. It's another room in the house that I've converted just for making art and this channel as well. But as great as it is, there's one part that's been driving me crazy lately, and it's this area behind me. It was originally intended as my editing bay. It's a great little spot and has served the purpose really, really well. Lately, I've had my keyboard there. It's where I've been learning piano, but I've noticed recently it's a bit too dark. I did originally paint the interior black, which I love, but it's actually too dark for what I need. So I thought I'd do something fun, bring you along for the ride. And we're going to repaint it, and we're going to choose a pretty cool color. Just a bit of a closer look as to how it's looking at the moment. As you can see, got the keyboard set up there. I've also got some frames up behind me as well, but the black in such a small area really isn't great for light. So I went to Bunnings to grab all the things I'm going to need for this project, and I was faced with the color wall. And I wanted to go for a color that wasn't ultra bright, but was something that sort of reflected me and my channel, and a color that I truly love as well. The color I landed on was Purple Shock. I absolutely love purple. I think it's going to work really well in this space because in the future, I think I might even do a mural on the back wall here, depending on what the space actually turns into. So I think we waste no more time. I'm going to jump in, I'm going to strip the area down and get ready for some paint. Let's commence the time lapse. This video is sponsored by Few and Far Studios. Few and Far are a Brisbane-based fine art print house and creative studio. Trusted by artists and brands worldwide, use the code ROCKETDESIGN at checkout for 10% off your order. That's the start, and this color looks so cool. Let's jump into another time lapse.
Two hours later.
All right, we're back. I had to leave it a little bit longer than I thought. I gave it an hour between coats. Turned out I needed about 2 hours between coats. We're going to jump in. We're going to do a second coat now. Let's go. And that's coat 2 done. I don't think we're going to need another coat, so I'm going to leave it another couple of hours, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be good to go. After that, we're going to put everything back, and then we're going to see how it's looking.
2 hours later.
I've just checked out the wall, and it looks awesome. There are no lines in it. Also, I'm going to jump in and install the puck lights. These are pretty simple. We're just going to go ahead and pop them in. Nothing fancy here. We're not going to be doing any hard wiring. These are just going to have a cable that runs on the inside, probably down the corner edge here, and then plug into the power board that I have. And just like that, we're done. Please excuse my messy cabling at the bottom there. By no means is that finished. I will spend a lot of time on that coming up very soon, don't you worry. But for now, I'm super happy with the way it's looking. This purple really pops. It looks amazing next to my mural wall here. And overall, it's going to be a much nicer space to work in with a lot more light, which is the main thing. But there we have it. That's the video today. Thanks for coming along as I painted this nook, this editing station of my studio. It was so much fun. I really enjoyed it. The end result is fantastic, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. It doesn't cost you anything at all, but it does help me continue what I love to do and bringing you these videos each and every week. Also, you may notice a join button where you can sign up to the membership part of my YouTube channel now. This is going to give you extra perks. Read all about it. It really is fantastic. It's super cheap, and it does support me as an artist. It allows me to bring you more and more work and videos all the time. Apart from that, let me know how you think this area turned out. I appreciate every single one of you. I'll catch you in the next video.